Greetings, this is M squared with one of the challenge problems on circles. So if we read what they've given us, they tell us that AB is a tangent, CDB is a secant, this is a chord, they tell us that chord CA and then this part of the secant are equal. Then they tell us that this arc is 140 and that this chord is 10. So before I even look at this, I usually just fill in all the information I have. If I know that's 10, AC is 10, and these two are equal, then that makes sense to know that that's 10. And then there's a theorem that says equal chords intercept equal arcs, so I know that this is 140. Well, all the way around the circle is 360, so 140 and 140 is 280. And if I take 360 and I minus 280, I get 80. So I know now that AD is 80. You'll notice that's one of the things they ask for. The next thing they ask for is angle B. Well, angle B is the angle that is formed by the tangent and the secant intersecting outside the circle. That means I need to subtract the two arcs that intercept, take half of it to find my angle. So I say angle B is equal to 1/2 the difference of the arcs. My arc, I see what intercepts is 140. This one's 80. 140 minus 80 is 60. 1/2 of 60 is 30. So angle B is 30. The next thing they ask for is AB. Now, this is a big hint. If they ask for something to the nearest tenths, then you probably are going to have to use trigonometry to do that. So I know that I need a side of a triangle. It's not a right triangle, so I'm going to think about my laws of sines and cosines. If this is 30, can I find any of the other angles? Well, yes, because this is an inscribed angle, and it's opposite. The arc that it intercepts is 80, so I know that this is half of that, so I know that's 40. And if I have two angles of a triangle, I can always find the other. That's 70. They all have to add up to 180, so this must be 110. If I have all the angles in one side, I can use law of sines. So I need to find AB. Remember, my law of sines says that the sine of an angle, I'll use the one opposite AB because I'm going to need AB, which is 40, over AB is equal to the sine of another angle. Now I choose this one because I don't know this whole side, so I know this side is 10, so I have to use the sine of 30 over 10. And then I just cross multiply. The sine of 30, if you've memorized that, is 1/2. So I have 1/2 AB is equal to 10 times the sine of 40 when I cross multiply. And then I need my calculator. I'm going to get AB alone first. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 to get AB alone because I'm trying to find AB. So now I have 20, 2 times 10, times the sine of 40 is what the length AB will be. So I go to my calculator and say 20 sine 40, and I get 14.902. It says to the nearest tenth, so AB is 14.9. And this is M squared signing out.